This is my New Jersey legal AR15 Other Firearm, and today I will be explaining exactly what this is and how you can get one for yourself. Recently, I made a video of actually purchasing and getting my first Other, which is this as you're seeing here. And on that video, there are a ton of comments and confusion basically about how this is legal, especially here in the state of New Jersey, as well as in general just being the dimensions of what it is. So in this video, I'm going to explain the specifics of what makes an Other legally defined here in the state of New Jersey, so you can also know and get one of these for yourself. Quick disclaimer that I am not an attorney or an FFL, so if you want to get an Other for yourself, you can do so, but just note that this is not legal advice whatsoever. An Other firearm is not classified as a pistol, rifle, or shotgun. The reasoning is because this is designed to be fired with two hands, hence the vertical foregrip here in the front, unlike a handgun or pistol, which is meant to be designed and fired with one hand. Also, it is not meant to be shoulders. As you can see here, I can do that with this brace, but because it is a brace and not a stock, it is not a rifle. And so because of that, it does not meet New Jersey's criteria for assault firearm. And because of that, we can have the features such as a threaded muzzle device up here in the front, as well as the barrel length of 12.7 inches and the adjustable brace, which we just covered. So why is this legal in New Jersey? Well, essentially the Attorney General was sent a request to review years back a Troy Other. And because of that, they looked into detail on what the legal definition of an Other is in New Jersey. And because of that, we now know the criteria of what this needs to have in order to be classified as an Other. Now, while the Attorney General's letter specifically states the Troy Industries A4 Other firearm as the Other firearm in the example, any other firearm which meets the criteria exactly matching the same as the Troy's would be seen as fully legal, and you will see FFLs in the state selling them without issue. And here are the key requirements of making this an Other firearm in New Jersey. Starting with, the barrel has to be less than 16 inches in order to make this not a rifle. In this case, it is 12.7 inches. And then the overall length of the firearm needs to be at least 26 inches. The stabilizing brace has to be included, not using a stock, and a vertical foregrip is a requirement in order to make this not a pistol and falling into the Other category. If you're curious about this firearm and just want to see it being shot in a future video, go ahead and subscribe. I already have a couple of videos of this on the channel and plan to do a lot more. What I have here is a LWRC. Again, if you want to see more about that, you can click on the video in the top right corner. But there are other examples such as the Darkstorm DS15, the Modern Material ModMat SBF, as well as the Troy A4 Other firearm, which we already covered. All are great firearms, all are Others that you can also get here in the state of New Jersey. A lot of people don't know that you can actually build your own Other here in the state of New Jersey. Now, I'm not an expert on that matter, but you can definitely speak to an FFL to help out with that. Essentially, all you need is a brand new lower receiver, from my understanding. You cannot turn a rifle into an Other or a pistol into an Other, but with a brand new one, you'd be able to put the parts together and build this as an Other and get it classified as such. If you enjoyed this video or have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And also just like the video because it's going to help out with the algorithm so more people can learn about this and some of the cool toys we can actually have here in the state of New Jersey. And if you are in the state of New Jersey, subscribe. Also, if you're not in the state of New Jersey, why not? We have awesome videos and hope to have many, many more in the future.